Oh.
Stand out here?
She went that way. Ooh. Ooh, a butterfly. Oh, hello. Hello. You want to come outside, sit on the porch with me during the thunderstorm?
Again.
Yeah, I know. But I think it stopped raining.
No stop on me.
There's no drops on you.
Because I see a butterfly.
You see a butterfly?
Yeah.
Don't go over there. There's bees over there. Yeah, there's bees in the porch. Where's the butterfly? Oh yeah, there's the butterfly. All the way over there.
Here.
Okay, let's go down there.
Let's see the butterfly down there.
Let's go see the butterfly. No, it's over here.
Where's
Oh, yep, there it is.
where?
Look, there it is. Oh no, it's over here now. Don't touch the bees. Up there it goes.
There goes.
There's probably another one somewhere around here. Normally 2 or 3. I don't see one.
There's a bee there.
They probably went home for the thunderstorm. Oh wait, no, look, it's back.
Where?
It's back there. Up there it goes. It's over
There
here.
goes.
Look, there it is.
Where?
Right there. Come here, I'll pick you up so you can see it. Look, it's over there. You see the butterfly?
Those are bees.
Yeah, those are bees. They'll sting you if you get too close. Oh! Oh, that's like great overhead. Oh, those clouds are mean.
And then,
That must have been one
and
bad lightning strike.
Go inside of the storm.
Yeah, let's say goodbye to the butterfly. Say goodbye to the butterfly.
Butterfly.
We'll see you tomorrow. Let's go in. You want to take the paper towels inside? No?
I'll bring that inside.
Yeah, you'll bring the paper towels inside.
Oh.
Recording Nora's reaction to thunder. And her reaction to the butterfly. The butterfly.
Lightning?
No, I heard the thunder.
The angels are bowling again.
That was one.
No, they're not.
That was